Hello and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. Let me pull up the charts where it has gone. I'm out. Sorry. But I found on the trade. I'm selling trade. And here, first thing first, what I'm using in this particular trade setup is version 196, version 185, 194, and 155. And apart from that, I'm using multiple time frame, price and volume, version 164. So I'll hide this indicator so that you get clearer room for understanding. So now you can see these green lines. These are all minor minor distribution areas. This line is minor distribution areas, and this one is blue line is also a major distribution area. So now price has come up to a distribution point. After that, first thing, second thing, price is touching the distribution line, a price level, and then it's been getting rejected. That means there is selling power or sell people with deep pocket or composite operator are trying to sell it over here. So I hear once I get this kind of price behavior rejection, and along with that I see uh, supply candles coming into play, then that adds to my story. After that, I'm waiting for the right opportunity to get into the trade. So this was my first. Then price went upwards, so we haven't got any trade set here. Then price came down and it came up to this particular level. And with like only it missed by few points. This is a touch or this price has penetrated above this particular distribution line, which is a green line. And after that, price came back and closed at this particular level. So you can see this is the level. So now here I got an indication now the market is going to go downwards because we have already rejection. We have multiple confluence taking place. Distribution price level and minor distribution price level was at this particular point. These are the two things which this thing green shallot is talking about. And then after that, on this particular bar, after this particular bar, I placed my sell order over here at 1.04105 and then waited for the price to go in my favor. And this was an instant gratification which I got. It doesn't happen every time. Sometimes it happens in one go. Sometimes price goes here and there. So once I have, and the reason for doing so is like whenever the support or resistance are drawn, they are normally pierced through with momentum, and you'll not get chance to exit at this particular point because price will pierce through it. So price went down, but I have a level because this is a distribution level in advance. So I have a pre-notion target that was of 1.03593. So this is where I exited the trade. So if I see how many points, give or take, you can say, see over here, 512 points profit. You do the math, you do the calculation about how many pips and all this stuff. So I'll not get into that thing. My risk to reward is 3 is to 3.7. So from here onward, on daily basis, I would be uploading my charts with all the stats, cut the chase and get to meet and I exit around over here, as you can see. Daily, I'll upload the trade setup so that the students who have purchased this thing or are about to take it on monthly subscription should be able to understand how I am trading. This is a demand zone. This is not demand zone. This is something which we normally called as accumulation. Green is distribution, fuchsia or pink is accumulation. This is accumulation. After accumulation, there is a bounce. And on this particular candle, I initiated buy trade. That is around 26230. This is gold. Okay. So now for many traders, uh, the this stop is big or small. It depends upon you whether you want to go for the trade or not. Uh, this is what I trade. This is what I'm telling based on my trading, because I know based on the confidence that if this is a spring, as well as apart from spring, supply is getting diminished, and now the new demand is picking in or kicking in at this particular point. So I should be in this trade at this particular point. So that's the reason I entered into trade. But if you don't feel safe, this stop is big for you, you can stay away from the trade, no problem. Wait for a trade which wherein you can easily justify your stop loss. So I got into over here, somewhere degree, sometimes to some degree my stop was here, and I exited on this particular position, which happens to be 1 second, 3742. This was my exit. Reason for the exit is I got a no demand candle. So I exited on the close of this particular candle. So on a give or take perspective, and it is simple and straightforward. That's it. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and every day you would be getting this kind of videos. If I get any trade setup at the end of the day before closing, I'll be uploading the trades. And let's see, keep on the marker, uh, let us see how many points does we make in this entire week trading only XAUUSD and EURUSD. Just to make you people and just enjoy the profitability, whether it is profitable, whether it is not, whether it is useless, whatever. I'll be trading based on the simple style, simple tools which I have developed based on Wyckoff. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm just keeping this thing very short and sweet, and looking forward to like uh, interacting with you on daily basis with my tools and with my trades with profit or loss. Either ways. Bye bye. Good night.